Hey yo everyone, and welcome to the last episode of Building This Modular Railroad. This is KCR Jones here saying that I did it. Holy crap, I packed up the whole layout into my Jeep, and by these pictures that you're seeing, it is tight. It is a tight fit, but I got it. I got it to work. I got all of the trains that I wanted to bring, both the ones to sell and the ones to run, along with, as you can clearly see, the tables, which I said I built to a specific size to then have room around them to actually fit in the Jeep. And oh my god, I still am looking at the picture now and can't believe that it's working. I mean, look at this. I had to stack everything, including the tables and all the other buildings and boxes and everything. But I got it all to fit, and you don't know how happy I am to get this to work. I'm just astounded at this, because in total I have 4 different trains. In fact, I have enough cars to make 5 trains, but I brought 4 locomotives, being my 040, my 460, the New Haven one, and my 2 Jeeps, the Jeep 9 and the 30. That also includes cars for each one, and enough cars, and I believe an extra caboose to make 5 different consists if I wanted to. Granted, I can only have 2 of these on the line at once because of the staging track that allows me to do this. But yes, I have the potato car with me, including the ramp and, the activator track. I have all of the buildings, all of the wires, all of the transformers, all of the boxes for the stuff to sell, or at least the stuff that has boxes. And I'm just still in awe about this. And even look at the layout. Look at how bare my layout looks after this. It just shows how much I packed, and especially stuff under the layout or around the layout. Like some of the bins I use for storing my trains that I'm not running are actually holding the trains for transport now. So it's just something amazing that, my layout's nothing impressive. It really isn't. But the fact that I'm able to pack away so much of it to make a new layout and bring places shows that this, to me, is successful. And I'm sure a lot of you aren't using this as a guide. You're just watching this because you're either a fan or you got nothing better to watch or you want to support my channel. And by all means, I want to thank the people that do. And especially those that have watched all the videos and specifically a lot of my videos across the channel, because you guys really mean a lot to me. The fact that my stuff is being watched continuously just makes me really happy. Oh boy, if I sound winded, that's because I had to bring all my Tetris skills just into play. And I say Tetris, not the other puzzle game that I play. Nudge, nudge to those who know. Tee-hee. But all I'm getting at here is the only things that I didn't pack are the liquid stuff, like track cleaner and smoke fluid, and actually my extension cord, although I do have my surge protector with me. For some reason, I didn't bring the extension with me. I'm looking at it right now across the table. Oh well, I'll pack that in the morning. Along with my mini fridge. Thank you, Pepsi, for sending me that. And, just other random little stuff that I don't want to freeze overnight. Or, of course, to keep my drinks cool, I'm having them all chilled in the refrigerator tonight, and then we'll just load the thing tomorrow. And, of course, I have to change the clocks before I leave, too, because it is daylight savings time. But yeah, other than that, I'm just going on now, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I don't think I'm going to put a video of putting the layout together. As in, like, putting the whole everything together on the show. I think I'm just going to film it in operation. But you guys have seen how this layout came together with the felt roads going on was the last thing I did this morning, which I think there's a picture I have to throw in somewhere. The finished felt roads, but oh well. You guys know what that looks like already. But yeah, the buildings and everything, it's just come along so well. And I'll actually throw up a picture right now. This is what the tables look like before I built them. It was just the sheets of plywood. And they now look like this. Again, it's just successful in my mind. I really love how it turned out. But otherwise, guys, this is it. Hope you really enjoyed. Stay tuned for more running videos, especially on this layout, and trains running on the museum layout and all that. And of course, if any of you are in the New Haven area, the show tomorrow, as I'm recording this, is in North Haven, Connecticut. If you want any information, the link is in the description below for the show info. And of course, if you missed it, well, hopefully there was another train show in your area, or you were too far to come see this. But this isn't the only show I'm doing. I'm doing all the shows run by my friend who's doing this show, and pretty much all the shows in the area. So maybe if you don't catch this one, you can catch it in the future. But otherwise, this is Casey Jones saying good night, stay safe, take care. And of course, to like the video if you did, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That makes a world of difference to both of us. And otherwise, yeah. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Casey out.